How to install JMA 1/2-inch Superflex connectors. Please note that this video is for the original 12S connectors. If you are using the updated 12S-01 design, please see the 12S-01 installation guide or video. 12S-01 part numbers will be clearly marked on the connector bag and body. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable and using RD Cutter S, apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. If using JMA's waterproof solution, add the WPS boot now. Attach the SP12S-01 prep tool to the drill. For plenum cable, keep the prepped cable end at a downward angle during the prep process. Actuate the drill to remove the jacket and expose the center conductor. Proper prep is achieved when the center conductor is chamfered. Inspect the center conductor for scratch marks and remove any loose bits of foam that are detached from the cable. Use Center Conductor Cleaner SPCC tool to remove any remaining dielectric material on the center conductor. If using a plenum cable, attach SP-PLV into a standard vacuum hose. Insert the prepped cable end at a downward angle. Tap the cable while vacuuming to remove any remaining dielectric material. Step 2. Install. Align the outer conductor edge with the marking line on the connector body as shown. Mark the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the inner and outer conductors thoroughly. Thread the connector onto the cable until it reaches the alignment mark and until snug. Do not over-tighten. Step 3. Compress. Select the proper insert for the connector. Pull the sliding assembly back using the frameset's side grips. Insert the connector so that the connector and cable lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. Do not pull or push on the tool during compression. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark.